Alright. Let us get back to it and figure out why I'm not parsing correctly. So, I'm probably failing to parse the very first instruction. Is that correct? x4/1. A couple of those. So why does that set that off? Yeah, I hear you. Oh, because there's a new... Oh, it's failing to pass the last one because there's a new line on the end of it. Okay. Well, that was completely predictable. Now that I know that, in retrospect, I should have seen that. Okay. So, just need to slice off the new line. Does that do it? Cool. That does that. Okay, so now I've got a bag of bytes. So now I want to treat them as characters. What? Why won't you... Oh. Sigh. Okay. Let's check that. Yep. Perfect. Cool. Oh, I know what that might be. The bands might be if I am alt-tabbing. I think that... No, that's not caused by alt-tabbing. Huh. Alright, let me look at OBS and see what it's saying. Okay, yeah, it's showing up in OBS's capture as well. I'm not sure I can do anything about that right now. I'll have to debug it for the next time that I stream. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now, part B. Yeah, I'm not running this a billion times. That would not end well, because if I do this, yeah, that is 300 milliseconds to run it each time. So how about no thank you on that? So now I need to cache it. So that's fine. So we'll map that to the index that we saw it at. Okay. Kind of adding a bunch of overhead repeatedly string parsing. We'll see whether it winds up mattering or not. Okay. So those get passed by value. This does get passed by... Okay. So... I need to copy this. I need to do this. Okay. Oh, oops. Righto. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay. 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 49. Okay. Okay, same answer as before. So now... Okay. 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 Now I make the cache. And then... Now I need to store into... Okay. Okay. So now we need to figure out what to do if I have a loop. So at that point...
Oh, you already did that turn.
The last time I was here, I made it all the way up there with my prior potions, and then as the last one was running out, I was like, okay, I'm gonna duck into this shrine.
Let's see, so now... Okay. I can automate this later.
What did you do?
I drew a bomb arrow.
Why did you do that?
Because I've never done that before.
Let's see, so...
Glad you two enjoy my suffering.
I do. A little bit.
And then, like, threatening to literally kill me last night over the piano, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
But all, like, I can only handle the piano notes for so long before I get some real good.
12...
Let's do this again and not draw the fucking arrow. I thought maybe it was like a contact igniter or
Oh,
something.
whoops.
Like, they have a CP on like use, and yet I have it. Dead Lydia ripped me. I mean, it counts.
Does that do it? Okay. Oh,
Dead Lydia Society.
right.
Easy.
There we go. Ta-da! Okay. So the belief is that these repeat every 60 positions. So, doing some math by hand, if we have 1 billion, million, billion, okay. So that will be 40 deep. So I think that if I just run 40 iterations, then should get the correct answer. Ha! Yes. Okay. Cool. Excellent. How bad is the diff? Okay, not that bad. Alright, I will probably be able to start on day 17 before I have to go and start taking care of chores and stuff. So let's do that. Wow, that artifacting is pretty bad. Ah, interesting. It's doing only when it tries to render. So if there's no cursor activity or anything, then it's not going to have those red tears.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Well, you want some combo bread? Sorry, what?
This looks like a perfect occasion to use the Go Ring class again.
Oh, I didn't know that could happen.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm dying now. That's cool.
Okay. Cool. So let's do that.
Oh, do we need to buy the helmet that Tony had in order to, like, survive further from
Uh,
fireproof it?
okay.
Absolutely.
Let's see. Their input. Times per insert.
Oh, there's no avocado on any of that toast, and you live home owned by your family. Check it out.
Some number of steps. Got it. Okay. So the sample
Just selling salt.
is 3.
Spice. It's one of those things that you can just add at the right
Okay.
times. Make it slightly better. Make some recipes require it.
So we need the same functionality essentially of right.
I see.
Okay.
Why do you need the boots and the... There's
Cool.
extra levels of fireproofness.
Yeah.
So let's. Hey, I happen to still have this open. Excellent. So what does it do? So I need to add a new ring. Okay.
Get out of here. Rolly boy.
Rolly boy. What does it say
Okay.
for temperature if you open the map?
So now,
Error.
what do we need to do? I don't need that anymore. Okay. Words. Okay, so
Dangerous game.
So,
What? Oh, sorry. Were you not supposed to? Or you just sat, they're all done?
They're all done now.
Okay. There will be more bread packed butter in the future.
okay.
Ah, another can.
Okay,
I have some milk.
cool.
We definitely went there. That's where we were.
So I'm just going to call this variable s. Okay, so the end of it
Well,
called upon to
I didn't have to fight those people.
so let's see. So we need to run that a bunch of times. After we've stepped, then
They each have their own little initialization.
okay. Do the initialization. Then
Dangerous to approach enemies now when you're low on hearts.
I like how fireproof doesn't actually mean fireproof. That's sick.
inserts 2017 as its final. Yep, okay.
I think if you have to full set your immune fire.
Okay. And then we need to
Fireproof.
merge these things together. Last time I got bitten by this. So when I link it,
Brave.
R next becomes S.
It's just my boy.
Turns the original. Okay.
She didn't want to say that.
So linking them creates a single ring with the elements of S inserted after R. The result points to the element following the last element of S after insertion. Ah, okay. So what I need to do is R
Sorry.
link insert. And I need to look at the previous. I think that will work. Okay. So now let's run this. Of course it's going to fail. Oh, that is my perpetual bugbear.
Skull. Whoa.
Oh. Is that correct? Yes, the next one is 638, so I correctly implemented that. So that should be 808. Yes, good. Cool. Make sure that this looks reasonable. Yeah, that looks completely reasonable. Cool. Okay. Awesome. And that is perfectly timed for 1 p.m. I will read this over, but I will not actually start working on it until after I've done chores.
Have you considered getting a goat?
Identify the value after 0. Current state. Okay, that's fine.
I wish I could shoot bomb arrows at those fuckers.
And yeah, actually no. I can finish this. This is not going to take long, I think. This is Oh, is this an n squared algorithm? No, should just be linear time. Okay. So that's fine. Okay. That looks okay. And then now let's just make sure I didn't break it. Good.
Ah, see, this was the
Okay.
spot. Ooh. Nope, couldn't get off the front.
Uh,
Link. Do they just explode if you hit them constantly? Yeah.
okay. And then
Put me on floors? Yes. Also dog walk though. Despite this.
okay.
I don't know if this is gonna get better if I don't have this.
Okay.
This might be a weird load.
Okay.
Let's.
Yeah.
It is about to be the time of the revolution. Okay, so clearly I'm just. Liz?
Yeah. I know that I need to do chores. I'm running this final command.
Okay, command up. Alright. Well, in that case, yeah, Ellie, my main target is floors. For this whole zone here. Like basically all the upstairs floors, honestly. Um, Vacuuming couches would be good too.
Okay, I can't actually.
Should I vacuum or should I mop as well? Let's vacuum and then mop
Oh,
because
whoops.
at least in the kitchen area, because see this stuff like here?
Yeah.
That's like a mop situation. Alright, let me know if that mic opens. Yep, just keep going and then
There we go.
start in the kitchen. Sorry, I'm gonna be walking in front of your TV a bit.
I'm gonna be noisy.
Claire's gonna be excited. Also don't. There we go. Let's.
Yeah,
It is the time.
I'm aware. Alright. Well, we'll see what happens. I'm going to step away for several hours.